Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home with Davey. I've got a great tip for every time that you vacuum pack your meat. It's something you should use every time. It's a good one. Stay tuned. Now, if you happen to be like me, you like to buy a lot of your products in bulk. Of course, it's quarantine time, so we're trying to hit the store once or twice a month. We'll load up whenever we can. And I do that quite a bit with meat. It happens to be the beginning of the year. It's January 3rd. There's some great deals going on at the local stores. We hit Costco quite a bit. Stater Brothers right down the street here, which is one of our Southern California markets, always has some great deals on meat. They happen to have pork shoulder right now on sale for 99 cents a pound. You can't beat that. Get in there, buy a whole bunch. So what I'll do is I'll get in there and I'll have them cut it the way I like, and I'll load up as often as I can. But what I like to do is when I get it home, I'll vacuum pack it and get it nice and sealed and into the freezer as soon as possible. But the tip that I want to offer is grab that Sharpie, write whatever kind of meat that you happen to have. This happens to be pork. Of course, you can do it with beef, chicken, fish, whatever you like. I obviously do a lot of fish, being a fisherman. Write that date. That's January 3rd, 2021, which happens to be today. And then the weight. The weight is the one that a lot of people do not put on there. When you get it back from the butcher, they're gonna have the weight right on the packaging. You could pull it right off of there and then write it right onto your plastic, right onto your vacuum packed meat. The key there is when you're doing any kind of recipes that call for 40 minutes for 2 pounds or 45 minutes for 2.5 pounds, 60 minutes, etc. on the different sizes of meat, you now have that. You don't have to do any guessing. If you can't remember, maybe it was 6 months ago, maybe it was 8 months ago. If you have it written down, it's right there in front of you. It's a great little tip. It's something that you should really do if you do any vacuum packing. But I appreciate y'all checking in. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below and subscribe to At Home with Davey up in that top right-hand corner. We'll see you soon.